This is Love Forever wants to know, can you survive for any amount of time in space without a helmet?
Yes, but not very long. Again, this isn't really my field, so I can't give you a detailed answer. But you have to worry about things like breathing and the fact that the pressure's very low, and so the air inside you is going to try and expand and all that sort of stuff. And you've also got to, I mean, if you're in orbit around the Earth, for example, you've got to worry about the exposure to the sun, because it's going to get very severe sunburn very quickly. But it's not going to be instant death. You might have seconds, you might have tens of seconds, but you can survive a little while. I wouldn't recommend trying it. If you're going up there, take your helmet. But generally speaking, it wouldn't be too horrendous for a few seconds. You
know my colleague, Chris, we had a conversation, it was a bit of an argument really, a very geeky argument, but about how cold it is in space, because there's no atmosphere, it's a vacuum, so heat can't travel through it.
That's not true.
Okay, but also there's nothing to conduct the heat that's coming off you, so you wouldn't cool down.
Yeah.
Right, could you explain how cold is it in space?
Let's just say you're floating around the Earth, okay? You're just standing there in your spacesuit, so you're not going to die too quickly, floating around Earth. One side of you is in sunlight, and the other side is not. The side of you that is in sunlight will be well over 100 degrees centigrade. The side of you that's not will be about minus 150 degrees centigrade. Because it is, as you say, the heat doesn't move around. It's radiated from the sun. Heat can travel through a vacuum by radiation. So you get that heat, otherwise it would be cold on the Earth all the time, because we wouldn't have any sunlight. But
that was quite stupid of me, I apologise.
No, it's understandable.
It's early on a Sunday.
So you have to deal with this in some way. The way the most of the spacesuits deal with it is very simple, actually. They have little tiny tubes in them full of water, and it just pumps around. So it moves the heat from one side to the other. So that keeps you at a roughly even temperature. But yeah, it's very hot and very cold at the same time.
It's a yes and no answer again.
No, we're good at these, aren't we? There's a lot of these inside.